my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank IDefinewig for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. They sent me over this beautiful wig. It is so stunning. This chocolate brown is everything. It's perfect for the fall, going into the winter. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install. All right, you guys, we have another IDefinewig today. You get 2 wig caps. They always like to send me a dark and a light one, which I like because the dark one comes in handy because I usually have to put foundation on the light one. So the dark one I can use as is, which I love. All right, and for the wig, we have the details right here. It looks like it's a 20-inch. It's a 180% density, and the cap size is large. This is the pretty brown driving me wild. Ooh, child. These curls are so freaking soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. I think it's like a chocolate brown. We have a frontal wig. Here's a close-up on the lace. The knots don't look bad at all. All right, here is what the wig is looking like. On the inside, we do have combs left to right. We also have one in the center, one at the bottom, some extra lace here. We also have some adjustable straps on the side and a adjustable elastic band as well. Alrighty, so this wig is gonna require a little bit of work. What I'm gonna do off camera real quick is I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace, and then I'm gonna come back and install this baby for us. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but we ready. Let's go. I'm finished styling this wig. The curls came out really beautiful. They started out as like a Shirley Temple curl, but after I wet them, combed it out, put some water and mousse in it, it turned out to a beautiful body wave, and I love it. It is so gorgeous. The lace ended up laying really good. As you can see, I did use some of this lace bond spray to lay the wig. It came out beautifully, absolutely gorgeous. I love the way that the wig fit. The wig fit really nicely. It didn't give me any troubles when laying down the wig, which is really important for me because I have a larger head. So I need a large cap that is actually going to be large, so it doesn't give me any troubles when installing the wig. So that was really nice. The hair turned out really soft. As you can see, she has a lot of movement, a lot of body. She isn't tangling up, she isn't shedding. I did pluck a little bit of the edges, so other than that, there was no shedding at all that I could see. The density is really nice. It's 180% density, so it is absolutely gorgeous. I have all the hair to the front now, so you can see how full it is. Really gorgeous. Really gorgeous. I love this chocolate brown color. The chocolate brown color is so perfect for the fall. So this is the final look on this wig. Make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know how you guys feel about this wig. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. It was so easy to install. It did take a little bit of time, but it was easy. Let me know, you guys wearing chocolate brown curly hair. It's giving water wave. It's definitely giving water wave after you get the hair wet and style it up, but I freaking love it. I think it's gorgeous. Let me know how you guys feel in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out the description box below. I will have the direct link to this wig and their website, so you can see all the other wigs that IDefine carries. Thank you again, IDefine, for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.